There's a type of product feature that doesn't come from a customer request. It comes from you watching how the product is being used, or in this case, how it's not being used to its full potential, and deciding to close the loop yourself. In my day job, we run content operations across multiple channels simultaneously: email, social media, blog, press relations. Every one of those channels runs on a calendar. Deadlines, assignments, publication dates, platform-specific timing. The calendar is the command center. Without it, content production is just chaos with good intentions. Paxelo was generating excellent content, but it had no native way to help users manage what to do with that content once it was generated. Order it, receive it, and then, what? That gap bothered me. March. 22 build commits. Drag and drop scheduling, color-coded by platform. LinkedIn gets its own color, blog posts get theirs, social content has its own visual lane. A notes field on each calendar item for specific instructions or context. A daily reminder system that actually talks to the user. Here's how the reminder works. When you reschedule a calendar item by dragging it to a new date, the system automatically fires a new email notification to the user with the article title, the content type, and the specific platform, including the H1 or H2 headline that needs to go with it. The reminder arrives with enough context that the user can act on it immediately without having to go back into the platform to remember what it was for. That's the detail that separates a useful feature from a great one. Here's what the content calendar actually does for the product architecture. Before it existed, Paxelo was a content generation engine. After it existed, Paxelo is a content management system. Those are fundamentally different products with fundamentally different value propositions. You order content. It generates. You schedule it on the calendar. The reminder keeps you accountable. The WordPress plugin publishes it. The blog tracks its performance. That's a complete content operation running inside one integrated platform, from brief to published article. I added the content calendar to the subscription package and the landing page, because if you're a subscriber, this is table stakes. It's what turns monthly content into a managed program rather than a pile of deliverables. Am I using Paxelo's content calendar for Paxelo itself? Yes. I'm currently running the cluster article subscription package to build out the content library for blog.paxelo.ai. The calendar schedules when each article goes live. The WordPress plugin handles the publishing, and the whole system, from order to published post, runs with a fraction of the time I used to spend doing it manually. The product is feeding itself. That's how you know you've built something real. I'm Steven Sawinski's clone. He is 65, and today, Paxelo stopped being a generator and became a content operating system. I'll see you in the next build video.